Today we're doing water heaters. First one of the new year. Got about 20 years worth of use out of this old Kenmore. But today it's coming out. The first step for water heater removal is to make sure the water is completely drained. The second step is to turn the gas off completely to the gas water heater. Or disconnect the electric if it's an electric appliance. Make sure the water is shut off, supplied to the water heater. Now we'll disconnect the input, the output, the flue pipe, and the gas line to install a new water heater. Using the handy tube cutter, we sever the 3/4 inch supply line to the water heater. After loosening the union with a wrench, you should be able to hand disconnect the gas line. Once again, after loosening with a pipe wrench, the supply line can be removed from the water heater gas valve. The vent pipe that helps the gases exit from the heater can be gently removed and pushed aside for later use. You will be able to recycle that pipe. Now the final disconnection of the hot water line coming out of the water heater, and the water heater is ready to be removed from its original location. In some cases, the supply line and the output lines can be salvaged from the top of the water heater, along with the threaded nipple that goes inside the water heater, with the assistance of a pipe wrench. Looks like we'll be able to reuse those. The easiest way to remove these threaded nipples in the water line is to straddle the water heater on the ground, firmly grasp with a pipe wrench, and turn. Once loosened with the wrench, a hand turn should be sufficient. Again, these fittings look like they can be reused. Again, with the assistance of a pipe wrench to get you started, the copper overflow and fitting remove easily. Even the pop-off valve can be removed and recycled. With the old water removed and debris and excess water swept away, we're ready to move the new water heater into position. Because the new water heater is just an inch or two shorter than the old, we have to go with flexible hoses for the supply lines. Level the water heater at about the same level it was before. There you go. Our trained technicians are the ones that do it. Now we'll reattach the gas line. Teflon tape on the gas line. The gas line is the first fitting, and the cold water supply line is now installed.
See, now the problem with this one is you can't hardly get to it to tighten it up. See that?
Always thread the Teflon tape in the direction that you'll be screwing the nipple.
You got a grip on it.
Put the water to it.
Can I do it?
Sure, you can do it. Oh man, we got water! The sound of cool, clean, fresh water entering the new water receptacle. Now we add the overflow line, which needs to be shortened by about 6 inches.
Wow. You bring your nail gun down here.
Overflow valve, overflow pipe installed to the pop-off valve. The water heater is just about filled with water. Light the pilot light.
Yeah, I'll get it.
The flame is now lit. We have a blue flame in the water heater.
Status quo.
That means it's working properly?
It's working.
That's not
If you turn
gas.
it on. Put it on temperature you want.
We will check the temperature.
Set on. Put it in here.